Hey guys, it's Steve here at Hankster's Hot Rods, and before we get into our newest addition to the inventory, we're going to go over some things here that are new to Hankster's, things that we're going to remind people of that we're doing these days. If you want to buy or purchase a vehicle from us, say it doesn't have the features that you want, maybe it doesn't have fuel injection, maybe it doesn't have air conditioning, maybe it doesn't have the wheels and tires or exhaust systems or a hood or gauges or so on that you would like, give us a call. We'll get you a quote on changing that, make it perfect for you, make it the way you want it to be. We also have shipping and our powertrain warranty included in the price of our vehicles. Our powertrain warranty is a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty, internally lubricated parts of the drivetrain itself, engine, transmission, differential. And if it's a 4-wheel drive, you're going to have a transfer case, front diff, and so on. Also the shipping, we'll get the vehicle shipped to you within the 48 states, anywhere you live there in that location. Also, we want to remind everyone to go on our YouTube channel and subscribe. That way you can see our current inventory, videos that we have, and maybe some past videos, get the sense of the inventory that we have and are getting here at Hankster's. We also have financing available on our vehicles. If you go on our website at www.hanksters.com, you go on to every vehicle, you're going to see a financing tab next to that vehicle, and just click on the tab, fill out the application, hit submit or enter down at the bottom left, and it gets sent to us, and we take care of it from there. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to move into our newest addition. This is a 2008 Mustang Bullitt. Of course, the Bullets were special editions. A little over about 5,800 made in 2008. And most of them were in the dark Highland green, and this is one of them. This is, of course, the correct color this vehicle has come in. The dark Highland green, reminiscent of the old 68 Bullets, the original Bullets from Steve McQueen. That's why these are so popular and pretty awesome in my opinion. Next thing you notice is the wheels, which were also special to the Bullitt Mustangs in the Argent Gray with the EuroFlange wheels, they call them. One thing you will notice on these is they got custom-made center caps. We do indeed have the original center caps, which we have a picture of all the original things that will be on the website there. We do indeed have them, but the gentleman put these custom-made caps on that do also come with the wheels, kind of give it that torque thrust look. Coming back, one thing you're going to notice, there is no badging here. No badging up here. The Bullets are debadged from the factory to look like the 68 Bullets from the Steve McQueen movie, as we all know. Our first gap driver's side, front fender to door, very nice going down. Of course, the body lines line up fantastic on this car the whole way around. And of course, you also have the lip kit, goes around the side from the factory. Driver's side of our windshield, no chips and cracks. And the paint on this car is beautiful, shines great whole way around. Driver's side glass, no chips and cracks. Of course, these are slightly tinted as well. And we do have the dual mirrors. Of course, the front cap is body color. Door handles are body color. Everything is body color pretty much. We're going to address some other special things on the way around. Second gap driver's side, door to quarter panel. Very even going down. Body lines line up great here as well. What I'm going to do now is going to open up the driver's side of the interior so you get a point of view from this side. You see the Bullitt special door seal plates. Of course, the Bullitt had the aluminum throughout. You do have the custom shifter ball there. We do have the original aluminum one that does come with it also. The interior of the car is beautiful. The leather seats, power driver's seat, the dash there, it's just beautiful. Custom heat HVAC knobs also to match with the aluminum. Custom door panel inserts, custom even lock toppers there. We have all the originals, but I like the custom touches. Coming back here, of course, you got your side vent pieces. Those are also body color. Now you'll notice here before we go to the back of the car, your fuel door here, the customer had these custom made and engraved with the vehicle number here, 5,550. We do indeed have the original one that goes with it. Also, you'll see a picture of that on the website, but I like this custom touch. Back window here, of course, there's rear defrost, no chips and cracks on the glass. Trunk gapping is also just beautiful, nice and even both sides. Coming to the back of the car, of course, you got the tail light lenses here are in great shape on both sides. blacked out trim. And again, no badging on the car. That's what gives it that sleeper look. Rear fascia really nice. Of course, you got the exhaust sticking out there, the dual exhaust down at the bottom as well. Before I open the trunk, I'm also going to address this here. The faux fuel door here, which you drop down to get to your keyhole if you need it. This is also a custom ordered piece and engraved just like the fuel door on the side with the 5,550 on it. And again, we do have the original one that goes with the car, but I like this custom touch on here as well. Now we're going to open up the trunk. Of course, you do have the remotes. Under the trunk here, of course, it's body color. You see the light does indeed function. Jams are in great condition. Your weather stripping, fantastic shape, like new. You have your cargo net here. Also, down and under, which I'll raise up for you here, you have your floor is beautiful. You have your inflator kit there. The floor, everything in here is just in amazing condition. Your carpet all in there, really nice. What we're going to do now is move on here. Coming around to the passenger side again, the paint, beautiful on the car. Shines great. Coming up to the first gap passenger side, quarter panel to door. Very even going down. Body lines line up right on the money there. Of course, body color, door handles, and mirrors on this side as well. Passenger side glass, no chips and cracks, and again, slightly tinted. Now what I'm going to do is open up the passenger door so you can see the interior from this point of view. Again, you can see the door jambs, the seats, the interior, the dash. Of course, you got your Bullitt emblems there on the dash with the knurled aluminum look on the whole front fascia of the dash. You got the WeatherTech mats throughout, front and rear. Beautiful, beautiful inside. Moving along to our second gap. Passenger side, door to fender, very even going down. Of course, your body line's right on the money. Little feature here, aftermarket antenna piece here, goes with the aftermarket stereo system. Passenger side of the windshield, no chips and cracks. Gaps, fender to hood, beautiful, nice and even. Coming up to the front. Another couple special things here. Again, you'll notice there is no badging. There is no prancing horse. There is none of that. No Ford emblems, because this grille is also special to the Bullitts. Gives it that, again, the no badge sleeper feel. Front fascia, very nice condition. Couple of scratches here and there, but overall really nice. And a front grille, also great condition. What I'm going to do now is going to pop the hood, and we'll go over everything in the engine bay here. What we have here is a 4.6 liter Ford small block V8. Of course, the Bullitts were a little special. They had more horsepower and torque than the GTs did. So this is also has a special tune and so on just for the Bullitts. The Bullitts have a lot of special features. And another one of those is this strut bar. You will also see it has the vehicle number and VIN number right here on the plate, which absolutely does match. And this same number is what he has on the fuel door and on the faux fuel door in the rear. This is another specialty to the Bullitt Mustangs. Of course, you see Bullitt across the front of it there. We do have the specialty air intake as well with the K&N filter there. Very nice car. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, low miles. There's only 16,000 miles on this car. Very low for the year. This is a great example. Very nice car. What we're going to do now, guys, we're going to put this up in the air, and we're going to show you the undercarriage. Hey guys, we got our Bullitt Mustang up in the air. We're going to do our undercarriage review as we always do. Everything under here, I'm going to say it right now, beautiful and all stock. Your suspension components, so on, definitely stock style. Looks all original under here. We got our front sway bar. We have a rear sway bar as well, and we'll go over that as we get back further. Your front cross member here, Looks really nice. Everything under here is beautiful. Your crossbar here, very nice condition. We do have disc brakes the whole way around. That's what these had come with. The oil pan on our 4.6. Very nice. Of course, we even still got our original stickers up here. Our rear main seal. Our case. An output seal on our transmission. Those are all dry. I don't see any leaks on any of those. Those all look beautiful. And we still have our tag here on the transmission as well. Our front frame sections. Very nice. Very, very nice. Beautiful. As you can see, the underneath of this car is amazing. This one, also very nice. Coming back here, we do have dual exhaust. As you know, the dual exhaust on this car is Bullitt specific only. They only came on the Bullitt Mustangs. You got your two cats right here. Coming back into true duals with a crossover pipe. You see we still got our heat shields here. And here, here, and here. Everything is still under here and everything is in fantastic shape. Coming back, our floor, again, just beautiful. Both sides, coming down, just a very, very great, awesome condition. You got all your welds, you can see plain as day. No undercoating, everything's beautiful, and definitely you can see it through the camera there. It's in great shape. Coming back, you can see we got all of our plastic guards here. All of our fasteners are all also in fantastic condition. You can see our drive shaft still has all the stickers on it. Whole way down, everything is still present. Our rear differential, you can see, still has the stickers on it. And here, and we even got more on the back that we'll show you. Our input seal at our rear differential, and our rear differential cover seal, nice and dry, no leaks there either. Like I had said, we got disc brakes on the back as well, and we do have a rear sway bar back here also. Our links, great shape. We got coil springs, stock shocks on both sides, and of course our link on this side looks good as well. Coming on back here to the back, our crossbar looks great there. And up here as well, our floor up above our differential, that's just as beautiful as the rest of it. Very nice condition. Coming back here, our spare tire well, everything around it, the floor is just amazing. Our exhaust system, you got your mufflers here, and then you got the factory tips on here that are welded on the mufflers. Looks really nice. You got those polished tips. Here at our differential, you can see our stickers. Here, you can see how it is marked 373 synthetic lube. Of course, that is what the Bullets came with. All in all, it looks really nice under here. What we're going to do now, guys, we're going to drop it down and fire the engine up so you can hear it run.